In the previous lesson, we have done the sarf kabir of the active voice of allama, and in this lesson, we will do the sarf kabir of the passive voice of allama. So the passive verb is ullima yu'allamu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allamun. Let's get started with the first one. Ullima means he was taught. It's passive. It's past tense. Let's make the past chart with it. Huwa ullima, huma ullima, hum ullimu, ya ullimat, huma ullimata, hunna ullimna. Anta ullimta, antuma ullimtuma, antum ullimtum, anti ullimti, antuma ullimtuma, antunna ullimtunna, ana ullimtu, nahnu ullimna. What is the next word? Next word was yu'allamu. Yu'allamu means he is being taught. It's a present tense. Let's make the present tense chart. Huwa yu'allamu, huma yu'allamani, hum yu'allamuna, hiya tu'allamu, huma tu'allamani, hunna tu'allamna, anta tu'allamu, antuma tu'allamani, antum tu'allamuna, anti tu'allamina, antuma tu'allamani, antunna tu'allamna, anta u'allamu, nahnu, ana u'allamu, nahnu nu'allamu. That was the present tense chart. Next word was masdar. Ta'liman. Ta'liman stays same because it's an idea. So active and passive is basically same thing. And what did I say for the idea? We can make the Muslim chart, but in the plural section, it cannot have una or ina ending. If you don't remember, go back to the previous lesson. Let's make the Muslim chart with it. Ta'limun, ta'liman, ta'limin, ta'limani, ta'limaini, ta'limaini, ta'limatun, ta'limatin, ta'limatin. Basically, it's the same thing, same chart, because ta'liman is same in both active and passive. What is the next word? Next word was the doer of the act. Mu'allamun. So, mu'allamun, mu'allaman, mu'allamin, mu'allamani, mu'allamaini, mu'allamaini, mu'allamuna, mu'allamina, mu'allamina.